The award-winning Display Buddy from Maxim. The Display Buddy is a unique multifunctional display system for both short and long-term promotions within any retail environment. Constructed entirely from mild steel, the Display Buddy structure can be powder coated to any colour and finish, and as the system is fabricated, we can manufacture to your specific sizes. Components are easily assembled without the need for tools to form a variety of display options ranging from simple tiered shelving to display hoppers to 360-degree displays. And it's strong. A Display Buddy shelf can hold over 30 kilograms of weight. This simplicity, however, doesn't mean a lack of variation or impact. Interchangeable graphics allow the Display Buddy to be converted easily and quickly by store staff into your chosen format, without the need for complex card-engineered constructions to be navigated. Our tests have shown that the Display Buddy can save up to 80% of card wastage against a typical temporary display. As well as the significant environmental advantages this brings, it also means that from the third or fourth promotion cycle, your costs will actually reduce. So, no more poorly assembled and ill-fitting card displays. The Display Buddy elevates the premium status of your brand and defines your promotional space, and looks as good on the last day of the promotion as it did on the first.